Hi, this is Tema 2 of Alberto Profesor online Spanish course. In this tema, you are going to learn how verbs work in Spanish. In the last tema, in Tema 1, in Tema 1, you learned about nouns and adjectives. Well, you need some verbs, right? We are going to teach you the verb ser, the verb to be. It's one of the most important verbs in Spanish, and you will see it will be very useful for you. We are also going to teach you how verbs work, how they change, how they modify depending on the person, depending on several things. But don't worry, we have explanations ready for you. If you haven't had any Skype lessons yet, I think this is a good moment to start, because the teacher will help you to learn everything you need to come to this level. Good. When you finish the tema, you will be able to talk about your family. You will be able to describe. And descriptions is one of the ways to express how do you see a thing. For example, imagine you're in Barcelona and you need to describe this beautiful street. You will be able to do it after this tema. Good. Good luck with it and push hard.